Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to kind of show you a really cool 79 Chevy Corvette. It is the L82, and from what I can tell, it's got original paint on it. So kind of a time capsule. Supposedly 50,000 actual miles. Doesn't matter a lot on that. I mean, it matters a little bit, but the motor's been replaced 3,000 miles ago. We have a receipt on that. There you can see some flaws in it. Scratch on the headlight there, but it appears to still be the original single stage paint on it, and it is not white. It is that very light blue. I think they call it Corvette light blue. Got the color matching T-tops. Here's the seats, got a little wear there. The other side's okay. There's the original owner's manual, who it was sold to, warranty card. This is an air, cruise, and tilt card. 50,555 is what the odometer shows. And car drives great. The cruise works, air works. Let's see, you can see some of the aging with it. So I mean, it's good driver quality car, and if you're into originality, that's the big bonus on it. It's a car that's never been molested. Said the previous owner put a new GM crate engine in it in 2001, and it has 3,000 miles on it. So if you're looking for a driver quality car that hasn't been modified, this is one for you. Any unique color. Not a lot of these were sold. Probably not a lot of them left anymore. So 605-695-7391.